For me, black and white photography, especially in the digital age, is a choice. It's typically an afterthought for me that I can take all these images and should I choose to, I could swipe down the saturation and make it black and white. And most of the times I think of this in terms of portraits. There was a trip I took down to New Orleans and I really went to the mindset of shooting black and white. And on my camera, I was able to view in black and white. And so I was going around and really focused on taking portraits. I love, and I've sort of been taught that portraits in black and white are really, there's something about doing away with all the colors and just focusing on your subject that really changes the portrait and really helps your audience focus on the person and their expression and just more of those details. And at the same time, as primarily a landscape photographer, I always am drawn to the colors and the richness and the beautiful light of the sunset or the sunrise or whatever it is. And yet one of the most famous and well-known landscape photographers, or just photographers in general, Ansel Adams, only shot in black and white. And so with that all in mind, for this week's photo challenge, shooting in black and white, it's really about focusing on your subject matter. It's not thinking of just what pretty colors or the color palette or anything like that. It's taking away all of that and simply focusing on your subject, what's in your frame, where are the lines, what's your subject matter, all these things. And also remember, it's not simply just bringing down that saturation. It's still editing the highlights and the shadows and seeing really what's possible there. A blown out sky in color would look bad, and yet with black and white doesn't look so bad. So it's something to play with. That's our week's photo challenge. Be sure to hashtag photo friend challenge. And if you would like to join this week's challenge or any of the future ones, be sure to go to photographyandfriends.com/challenge and you can get all the latest information there. And also, if you want to actually participate a bit more, you can join one of our many photography classes and get access to the Photography and Friends Facebook group, in which we will be posting these challenges and also sharing the winners that we select. The top 10 favorites will be posting about and sharing those photos. So thank you all for being here. Look forward to seeing your photos. Take care.